Yeah. 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 You were the kind of girl every rapper would chase. We smoked joints together, making love on the couch for days. That was right before your surgery began. Before hope inside me died, that life would get easier again. Fuck, I always hated hospitals and clinics. Smell of death in every hallway, every second I could feel it. I know God, but we don't speak for very long. Ever since I saw him let good people suffer on and on. Everybody says you gotta learn to live with tragedy. Makes me wish this life was more than one reality. Days keep running, feels like hell beneath our feet. 300 miles from heaven, don't know if it's better where they sleep. I don't know how I'm supposed to help you now. Feeling powerless alone at home, just watching film somehow. Wanna disconnect and stop thinking for a while, but every falling tear makes life unbearable inside. Both of us were trying to escape the truth. Hard to carry all that pain when it keeps tearing through. You know me, I can cut people from my chest, but I'll never understand a life that ends them with no rest. Now, I wonder if you still can hear these verses clear. How are your parents? Guess you're probably still living there. One single day changed your whole existence, and now I live with knowing you may never hear me listen. You were always there for me, even when mom was gone. Back then life was heavy, nothing about it felt strong. For hours I would dry your glasses on my face. Before the first stroke, before the smoke and haze. You taught me how to pray and how to stay kind. Respect the people near me, seek the wisdom they might find. Long walks by the river in Amsterdam after rain. Islands made of memories and conversations full of pain. I still read your poems written from the prison cell. Because of them your soul became immortal as well. Forgive me if I haven't always stayed loyal. God, if you exist, then take this suffering from my soul. I thought maybe you no longer knew my name. So many tears outside the hospital, digging dirt and pain, until my mother answered that late phone call, and the nurse just said you died. That was all. Life and death written side by side in dust. Yellow faded photographs collapsing into rust. Time keeps moving naturally, at least it seems. I got so many questions, hope one day you answer me in dreams. On the road beyond fate, where earth won't hold our weight, I'll tell you everything I never had the chance to say. Luckily I won't be waiting endlessly for that day.
You will never look again into the blue inside their tears, but inside your dreams their voices still may reappear, and the darkness of your longing will fade away when their quiet whispers